Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from the date of 16 towards 20 January 2023. Now GBPJPY on a weekly time frame in this week continued its bearish run, like the higher time frame bearish run, by making a breakout of a small time frame support level that we had over here and also a higher time frame support level that we had right around here with multiple major retest points, with further bearish momentum to come all the way retest this major support level once again, which was also our higher time frame previous low on GBPJPY. Now a bearish engulfing candle close like this towards a major support level on a weekly time frame does indicate that our price is looking extremely bearish. So in that case, if GBPJPY on the upcoming week does continue this bearish run by making a breakout of this support level, then on the bearish side we expect GBPJPY to continue coming down to retest this next key level or all the way towards this next key level, which has multiple major retest points as you can see over here. However, if we see GBPJPY finding some sort of support over here and making some correction or pullback move, then this is where we expect, like at this key level with multiple major retest points, this is where we expect GBPJPY to make that correction or pullback move over here. Now if we go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then we can see our higher time frame support, our recent support at this key level with multiple major retest points, and also our higher time frame major resistance right around here at this key level with multiple major retest points. So for GBPJPY to continue pushing down, it needs to make a break and close below this key level with further bearish momentum to continue this bearish run in a newly forming downtrend line, which might look something like this. However, if we see GBPJPY finding some sort of support around here and continuing to form higher lows, making a break and close above this key level, then we might see GBPJPY making a breakout of any possible forming downtrend line to continue pushing up, creating a newly formed uptrend line, which might look something like this with its higher low somewhere around here. Now those are the two scenarios that might happen on the upcoming week based on which direction GBPJPY makes a breakout of. Now if you get even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame, then we can see this strong downtrend line in which GBPJPY is currently moving in, and also we can see how GBPJPY is making a retest on this downtrend line once again over here. And now we have our support at this key level which we just talked about on the higher time frame, and also on a higher time frame point of view we do have our resistance at this key level with multiple major retest points from the previous records. But on a shorter time frame point of view we also have this key zone right around here, which we are currently expecting as a shorter time frame resistance. Now it is still too early to draw or call this zone even a resistance zone properly, since we need more retest, we need more ranging over here. But if you go to even shorter time frame like a 1 hour to 30 minutes time frame, you do see some more retest points on this key zone. So for now we do expect this key zone to be our shorter time frame resistance zone, and we'll be looking for trades on the basis of whether it makes a break out of it or continues to respect this key zone as its resistance. Now on the upcoming week, if we see GBPJPY continuing to respect this key zone as its resistance and making a break and close below this support level or this low with further bearish momentum, then we can go to even shorter time frame like a 30 minutes time frame and look for further short trades on GBPJPY on the breakout of certain shorter time frame structure that it could be forming over here after that break and close, to avoid some fake out, in hopes of GBPJPY continuing this bearish run over here to come all the way retest this key level which we talked about on the weekly time frame right around here, has multiple major retest points while moving in respect to this newly forming downtrend line with its new lower low. However, if we see GBPJPY continuing to find support at this low and closing above this key zone with further bullish momentum, then that would be a breakout of this strong downtrend line that GBPJPY is currently moving in, and in that case we can start to look for trades on the long run in hopes of GBPJPY continuing to push up, making some deeper pullback or deeper correction move towards this key level over here, which you saw on the daily time frame right around here, and on the weekly time frame right around here has multiple major retest points as you can see over here. Now even though GBPJPY would look bullish if it closes above this key zone with further bullish momentum, but on a higher time frame point of view, we need GBPJPY to close above this key level to continue pushing up, forming a newly formed uptrend line, since that key level that we have right here could be a retest on this newly forming downtrend line as well. As you can see, this key level also aligns with this newly forming downtrend line. So we need GBPJPY to make a break and close above this or this key level for GBPJPY to make a breakout of any possible downtrend line over here to continue pushing up in a newly forming uptrend line. But that is very unlikely to happen, seeing this such bearish momentum over here. So for us to look for trades, we need to wait to see price forming some sort of a structure over here like the one is currently forming, and then we can wait for a break and close above or below that structure and then look for trades with a proper setup. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week, with a bias on the both side and when to look for trades, whether on the long side or on the short side. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And I've been getting a lot of questions asking me why I don't mention the prices. Actually, if I was to mention each and every prices, then the video would be much longer. So what I do is I always give a chart link in the video description so that you can see exactly where these key levels and zones are and which of the point of price that I am talking about. So please go through the video description and click on the chart link to see where the key levels and zones are. So hope that helps, and for more analysis like this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on GBPJPY.